So explain the characteristics of and the limitations of a computer. There are 8 characteristics we are having. The key characteristics of a computer can be determined depending on the size, type, cost, performance, speed, reliability, and storage capacity. So how we can measure a computer characteristics? It depends on the size, type, cost, performance, speed, reliability, and storage capacity. Suppose you want to purchase any computer, what you look? First we look on the size. What type of computer? What is the cost? What is the storage capacity? And what is the speed and performance? Yes, these comes under computer characteristics. The first characteristics of a computer: speed. The computers works very high speed, calculations are very high speed. You can't imagine, within a fraction of seconds it execute the human instructions. Is it clear? It takes only a few seconds for calculations that will take hours to complete the work. You will be surprised to know that computer can perform millions of instructions, even more per a second. Within a fraction of seconds it execute millions of instructions. How we can measure the computers execute calculations? Microseconds, 10 power 6, and nanoseconds, 10 power 9. Understood? So 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 power minus 9 seconds. This is the speed. What is the speed? Computer works very high speed. It can take only few seconds, or you can write within a fraction of seconds it can complete the user instructions or millions of instructions. What is accuracy? Second characteristics of a computer. The degree of accuracy of a computer is very high, and every calculation is performed in the same accuracy. The accuracy level is determined the base of design of a computer. So see here, accuracy of a computer is very high, and every calculation is performed within the same accuracy. Right? Human made some errors, but computer cannot make any mistake. Cannot make any mistakes. See, the point I was given here. But the mistakes can be done only the intelligence of human beings. Humans are giving mistakes. The computer will be operate that one. Mistakes only. Third characteristics of a computer is intelligence. What is the diligence? Diligence is something like simple. A computer is a free form, tiredness, lack of connections, figure, fatigue, etc. It can work for hours without creating an error. Millions of instructions can be performed. A computer will perform every calculations with the same accuracy. Simple, you can write here. Millions of calculations can be performed by a computer. It will perform every calculations within the same accuracy. Versatility. What is versatility? Multitasking mission. Computer is a multitasking mission. Your calculators will do only calculations, unless it doesn't do anything. But computer is not like that. Computer having a calci, computer having a video, computer having a browser, computer having a download, computer having a documents, reports, presentations, everything. It means the capacity to perform the completely different types of works. Clear? So what type of different type of works? First one is the prepare payroll slips, inventory management, or prepare electricity bills. But these are three only I given examples here. Next, storage. What is the storage? Memory. Storage is nothing but a memory. A computer has the power of storing any amount of information or data. It can store any kind of data. Where two types of memory. Okay, memories are two types. Primary, secondary. Primary is the inbuilt memory, secondary is the additional memory. Next, performance. Performance of the computer includes the processing speed. You know processor? i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor, i9 processor. The performance, the speed of the computer, it depends on the accuracy and reliability. Next, what is reliability? Just now explain accuracy, reliability, speed, processing. A computer system of the present generation is much reliable in terms of storage and processing. Okay, suppose you want to purchase a mobile phone, what you look? The storage. What is the memory providing by the company according to the mobile phone? Yes. So that is reliability. And automation. Computer is automation. Once the instructions feed into the computer, it works automatically without any human interactions. Human does not go to inside of the computer to fix the wires and cables. Not required. To process the instructions. Not required. Computer will do itself only. But what we have to do? We have to do just type the instructions through keyboard or mouse or any input under devices. Any input devices. So this is explanation according to computer characteristics. What are the characteristics? Speed, accuracy, elegance, versatility, storage, performance, reliability, automation. Limitations. Three limitations: lack of common sense, inability to correct, depends on human instructions. Without this, see the third point. Without human instructions, computer cannot do works itself. Simple. Computer cannot work its own or itself. You have to give the instructions. Inability to correct. Suppose you given a wrong instructions, the computer will not do correct. When we give the input data to the computer, we must give the correct information. Otherwise, computer cannot correct the wrong information on its own. Because computer does not have brain. Nowadays, we are using artificial intelligence. Maybe itself the computer will do corrections. What is the lack of common sense? Computer is only the machine. It does not think itself. There is no brain. It doesn't have any brain. See this point. It doesn't have any brain. That's why it does not think and does not correct itself, and it cannot judge itself. Okay, whether it is right or wrong. So these are the limitations, and these are the characteristics. Very important. Thank you.